What happens to your body when you drink water and baking soda every day? Baking soda has been used as a natural remedy for thousands of years. This white powder, known as sodium bicarbonate, is mostly used in cooking today, but it also has amazing health benefits for the body. In hospitals, we use this very substance during cardiac resuscitation to bring patients back. From relieving acid reflux and supporting kidney health to boosting the immune system and much more. Today I want to go over the incredible benefits of drinking water and baking soda daily, as well as how to use it properly and safely. You need a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. This is sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder. And you also need 500 cubic centimeters of cold water, which is about 2 cups. Mix them well together and drink it in the middle of the day at least 1 hour before lunch. The number one benefit is that it prevents acid reflux. If you feel a burning sensation in your chest or throat after eating, you might have acid reflux. This happens when stomach acid comes up and causes irritation. It's not just because of too much acid, it's often because your food isn't being digested properly. When food stays in your stomach for too long, it puts pressure on the valve that keeps the acid down, but the bicarbonates in baking soda can help improve digestion by stimulating the flow of bile and pancreatic enzymes. Basically, these allow your food to be properly absorbed in the intestines, which relieves pressure from the stomach and prevents reflux. That's why baking soda was included in soldiers' rations during World War I and II. Benefit number 2 is kidney detoxification. Your kidneys work very hard every single day to carefully filter out toxins and waste products from your blood, helping to keep your body healthy. But when uric acid gradually builds up in your kidneys, it can put extra stress and strain on these important organs, create additional pressure, and eventually lead to the formation of kidney stones, gout in the joints, and even high blood pressure. Consuming just a small amount of baking soda and water can help restore your kidneys' pH to normal and make it easier for them to do their job and detoxify excess acids and toxins from the body. One study showed that baking soda slows the progression of kidney disease in patients with chronic kidney disease. That's why many doctors recommend baking soda to prevent gout attacks, kidney stones, and to improve kidney function. Benefit number 3, boosting the immune system. When parts of your body become overly acidic, like your intestines, it creates an environment that allows viruses, bacteria, and harmful infections to thrive. Now, baking soda provides bicarbonate ions that help maintain pH balance in your body. During breakdown and digestion, it releases carbon dioxide, which helps your body to absorb oxygen properly and efficiently. This, in turn, improves the activity of your white blood cells, allowing your immune system to fight off harmful pathogens and infections more effectively. Benefit number 4, improving oral health. The main reason people suffer from tooth decay, cavities, bad breath, or gum disease is that there are too many harmful bacteria in their mouths, making their mouths acidic. Baking soda can help eliminate these harmful bacteria and freshen your breath. Mix a small amount with your regular toothpaste and gently brush your teeth with it. This can help whiten your teeth, eliminate harmful bacteria, and neutralize the pH of your mouth. But only do this a maximum of twice a week, because excessive alkalinity can also damage your tooth enamel. Before we continue, I'd like to ask you, if you've stayed with me this far in the video, please hit the like button. Also leave an English comment so this video can reach more people. Your like, even if it's just one, is really valuable. Benefit number 5. It helps eliminate urinary tract infections. Drinking baking soda water can also help get rid of urinary infections in the bladder or urinary tract. This works by slightly increasing the pH of your urine, making it harder for harmful bacteria to survive. It reduces the symptoms of urinary tract infection in just 1 week, along with proper hydration. Benefit number 6. Reducing muscle pain after exercising. Your muscles produce lactic acid, which causes stiffness, pain, and muscle fatigue, especially if you've just started working out. But baking soda can actually help to neutralize excess acid in your body and allow your muscles to recover faster. Many athletes use baking soda to improve their endurance because it helps them exercise for longer periods without getting tired. Benefit number 7, increased energy. You may have noticed that after a few days of using baking soda, your energy levels are higher. It's similar to taking magnesium, which you've probably experienced, and if you've watched my previous videos, I've talked about its importance for boosting energy as well. As I mentioned before, when baking soda is digested, it releases carbon dioxide, which helps red blood cells deliver more oxygen to the tissues. More oxygen means better energy production, which helps you stay more alert, energetic, and awake throughout the day. The eighth benefit is managing cancer symptoms. Yes, recent studies show that baking soda can slow tumor growth by creating a less acidic environment in the body. Cancer cells grow in low oxygen and acidic conditions, but baking soda can help raise the pH and make it harder for tumors to grow. One study demonstrated that sodium bicarbonate increased the pH level in tumors and significantly reduced their ability to spread in mice by improving oxygen delivery to the cells. Basically, baking soda actually makes cancer cells somewhat less aggressive, meaning it helps to limit them and also assists in eliminating them. While it's true that it's definitely not a primary treatment, some specialists suggest that it might be useful for regulating acidity in your body alongside other treatments, and it is highly recommended. The ninth benefit is soothing irritated skin. Another way you might want to use baking soda is to mix it with a little water to make a paste. You can apply this paste for quick relief on insect bites, sunburn, rashes, or skin allergies. Baking soda balances the skin's pH, which helps reduce redness, itching, and swelling. For sunburn, you can also add a few tablespoons of baking soda to a cool bath to help soothe your skin and speed up your recovery. This remedy is very simple and has been used for centuries to help heal sore skin. The 10th use is relieving sinus congestion. If you feel your nose is blocked with mucus or you're having trouble breathing, baking soda can help naturally clear your sinuses. Just add a little baking soda to water and use it in the afternoon. Or as a next step, you can mix a quarter teaspoon of baking soda with a little warm distilled water or a quarter teaspoon of salt and pour this into a nasal spray bottle. It's perfect for rinsing your nose. It kills bacteria and thins thick mucus so it can be cleared more easily. Many people also like to inhale steam with baking soda to open up their airways and make breathing easier. You can add baking soda to steam devices that have a compartment for this purpose. The 11th point is helping to prevent bone loss. As we age, our bones can become weaker and more brittle, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. But there's an issue here. Baking soda can actually make this problem worse because it prevents proper absorption of minerals. However, using remedies like apple cider vinegar with a little baking soda can actually help prevent bone loss. So on its own, it makes the problem worse, but when combined with apple cider vinegar, it can be suitable for strengthening bones. A study showed that people who consume sodium bicarbonate lost less calcium, which suggests that it may slow down the process of bone thinning, because it helps the body absorb and retain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. And the last benefit, benefit number 12, is eliminating fungus. Fungal infections grow in warm and humid environments and are very difficult to get rid of. Baking soda actually weakens fungal cells, draws out moisture, and prevents their growth. This makes it a very effective treatment for athletes' foot, nail fungus, dandruff, and skin infections. All you need to do is mix baking soda with a little water or petroleum jelly and apply it to the affected area. You might want to soak your feet in a baking soda solution to help eliminate foot fungus as well. One study showed that a baking soda solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter of water inhibited 80% of 70 different types of fungi that may be present, so it's a very powerful treatment. When should you not use baking soda? Using it in small amounts, about a quarter teaspoon per day, generally has no problems or specific side effects. However, if you notice specific symptoms like excessive bloating, gas, nausea, or stomach discomfort, it's important to stop using it for a while. If you like using herbal remedies like apple cider vinegar for stomach issues, you can continue doing so, because the acetate in vinegar, together with the bicarbonates in baking soda, is very good for supporting complete digestion and can be effective. They don't neutralize each other as some people think. If you have an underlying condition like heart disease or kidney disease, or if you are taking medication, always be cautious when using natural remedies and consult your doctor before use. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments and I will answer as many as I can. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Until the next video, take care.